are not getting it right in business because of just one major thing: inability to create a business plan. Are you looking at creating one? Follow me to the end of this video. Here is the step-by-step guide that can help you get a business plan well stated out for your business. A well-stated business plan is crucial for guiding your business towards success. What do you need to do? Start by outlining your business mission, vision, and objectives. Next, you conduct a market analysis to understand your industry target audience and competitors. Define your products and services and their unique selling point. Develop a marketing and sales strategy to outline how you will attract and retain your customers. Include financial plan with projections for revenue and expenses. Finally, review and refine your plan regularly to ensure it stays relevant. By following these steps, you can easily create a business plan that serves as a roadmap for your growth. Ready to get started? I have a prepared template for you. Type yes in the comment section and I will send it to your DM. Share your thoughts or ask for tips in the comment section, or rather send us a DM. We are here to help. Follow, like, and comment for more tips.